The nice thing about integration like this is you can have it fully integrated to your modern controls, like here on the Puma from DN, and that means you can protect your workpiece, you can protect the tool, and you can protect your operators. When you've got a brand new machine tool like the SMX 3100 ST by DN Solutions, you want to have the tooling that can best take advantage of this. This machine has a full B-axis head, plus minus 120 degrees rotation. They've upgraded the clamps, they've upgraded the drives. In this C6 spindle, we've got the Coro Turn Plus data-driven tool mounted up here that we're going to get able to push through, and it has optional full integration in the control, so you can monitor your tool life, you can monitor your vibrations, keep your throughput maximized, and prevent any damage to your machine tool, to your operator, or to your components. And then after this tool, we're going to head over to the Puma 3100 to see what the deep boring capacity up to 16 times D at 50 millimeters can really do. And then here at the Puma 5100 LY, we've got this massive 50 mil bar at 10 times D. The hole it's boring into is over 500 mils deep. And the crazy thing is this is actually the small one. Sandvik makes them up to 16 times diameter. It monitors your load, your deflection, your vibration, and your surface quality, because when you're that deep in a part, it's better off not left guessing. The nice thing about integration like this is you can have it fully integrated to your modern controls, like here on the Puma from DN, and that means you can protect your workpiece, you can protect the tool, and you can protect your operators. So we started with finish tuning on the SMX 3100, then we went over to the Puma 5100 to do some roughing in the bore. But what if you have tools that aren't standard tuning tools? Can you track them? Yes. Actually, Sandvik Coromant acquired a company about 1.5 years ago called Spike Pro Micron, and they are able to monitor your rotating tools. So what you're actually seeing on the screen here beside me is not just the forces over time that are being measured while the machine's running, but you're actually seeing it by each cutting edge. That means in this case, we're using a 6-flute end mill to finish a blisk at a very high surface quality. Now you are seeing that feedback per corner of the insert. And the really cool thing is over here now, they actually keep a history of this. So if you're running a very long surface finish like this blisk, and you realize there's a little bit of surface quality issues, you can actually come back to the data. It'll show you where the vibration goes, and then you can trace it down to the exact coordinate in the line of code. So you don't have to worry about ruining your finish or starting from zero ever again. Now, obviously, with a brand new machine like this DN machine, it's coming in as options right from the factory. I mean, I've heard stories of something like 8 days removed from a cycle time, thanks to smart sensor tools. Yes, 8 days. That's not a typo, not 8 hours, 8 days. There is truly things to unlock when we're trying to bring more manufacturing back to the Western world and get more jobs here. There are ways to do it when you have the right partners in your supply chain.